bestie, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm doing an unboxing of Happy Meal that I received. If you love Happy Meal like I do, stay along for the journey, guys. If you're new to my page, welcome. I'm so glad you decided to join me today. If you've been here before, hey girl, hey. Let's go ahead and get into the things and see what's in this box. So I am loving the presentation of what I've ordered. It's in this box right here. Now let's get into it. Okay, as you can see, guys, this is a A5 ring planner that I ordered, and I ordered it because it'll go with my aesthetics that I'm going for 2025. So let's look into the things. Okay, as you can see, the name of it is Blvck. And if you're new to my page, for 2025, I'm doing blackout planning. I have started some of it now, so when 2025 get here, I'm prepared. So as you can see, this A5 cover, it does have several card slots and document holder space in the front. And right here, it has this small pocket, and then it did come with this pen. Lord, I'm struggling to get this pen up in here. Okay, so I was finally able to get the pen in there. Okay, good. Okay, so now let's look at the layout of the agenda. Okay, so it starts off with the 2025 calendar, and this is January through June. Okay, so in the back it has July through December. It has week 1. You can write your goals down for your first week. There's a note page. Then you have to do checklist. Then you have Monday through Wednesday, turn over for the rest of the week. Not sure if I like the layout of the agenda, so when you purchase it, it does not have pictures of the layout of the planner. So basically it looks like it's the same thing all the way through. I'm going to check to see if there are any note pages or anything else within this agenda. Okay, so it's just basically the same thing all the way through. Okay, so now let me give you my thoughts on this agenda. Okay, so with the monthly view for the 2025, I think, in my opinion, January through June should have been on the left side page, and the rest of the months on the right. I shouldn't have to flip back and forth with that. And then with the weekly, it should have been so I could see it all together, with the first part of the week being on the left and the rest of the week being on the right, in my opinion. So I'm thinking whomever designed this, probably not a planner, probably not a stationery freak. But those are the only little things that I saw with this particular planner is the layout. I wish, the things so I can see both pages as one. You know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and test out the pen that was included with this planner. So I'm pretty sure the pen's going to write fine, because I do own a few of the Blvck pens, and I have used a few of their refills on some of the Shop Really Beautiful pens that I have. Absolutely love their ink, especially the silver ink. The gold ink skips a little bit, and with this pen right here, with the top being silver, I'm pretty sure this is a silver ink pen here. And so far with their silver ink pens, I haven't had any issues with it, but the gold ones tend to skip a little bit. So let's go ahead and test this one out. Yeah, see, it writes perfect. It just glides. Love their pens. And if you do need refills for your pens, they do sell their refills in the silver and gold, and I definitely recommend the silver ink. So Love the pen. Looking forward to utilizing this as I do my blackout planning for the rest of this year and for 2025. But guys, overall, I do like the agenda cover. I do like the card slots within the agenda cover. And even though the layout of the agenda is not what I expected, I can still make it work. I'm definitely going to add some dashboards or something else to this planner to work for me for 2025. So let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I would like to thank you so much for taking time out of your schedule to join me in my unboxing of my 2025 agenda. Have an awesome day. Toodles!